Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Apple Developer application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So within this application you will find all the recent news as well as developments of Apple. At the Discover page you will find the latest news, the upcoming special events and articles. You can browse through different topics like health and fitness, photos and camera, and you will find some very educative videos on them. At the WWDC section, you can find the sessions as well as further videos on different topics. And you can also search for whatever you want, and there will be the results in different topics. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.